Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Page Layout or switching to Page Break Preview so you see printable boundaries. Next, set print titles. That locks header rows across pages, which is essential for multi-page sheets. Once done, adjust margins and orientation to prevent clipping, because headers shift when page size changes. Make sure to select the exact rows you want repeated. Otherwise, Excel won't apply them consistently. This step avoids rework later and ensures you're now edit the header itself by opening Header and Footer. You can click inside the left, center, or right section. Use built-in elements like Page One Of or and File for automation and add static labels when needed. Once you've placed content, format the font size and alignment so the header doesn't wrap or overlap columns. Make sure to preview. Resizing columns or changing print scale can alter how the header appears, so adjust early to keep header layout consistent. Finish by using Print Preview to confirm the header appears across every page. This is your last control. If the header disappears, check rows to repeat and look for scale to fit or custom print area settings that can override titles, uncheck, or adjust them. Once consistent, print a test page or save as PDF to validate actual output. If problems persist, clear the print area and reselect rows to repeat. That usually resets conflicting print layout rules.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.